BIM is not a software but a tool. That is, no software is equivalent to BIM and no specific technique or method is equivalent to BIM. Building information modeling. It's a technology that creates a highly collaborative platform for intelligent management and the generation of buildings data that is recorded during construction project lifecycle. This data includes the environment, geometry, geography, costs, materials, and more. This methodology makes designing, planning, construction, and management more efficient, revolutionizing the AEC industry by digitally transforming construction processes. Building information modeling for construction project lifecycle is a centripetal concept that is driving the impending chapter of sustainability. With all being said, I will get started after this timeout. But before we dive into exploring building information modeling, let's define BIM under 3 categories. 1. Building information model. It is a digital representation of physical and functional characteristics of a facility as an integrated model, which is also referred to as BIM product. 2. Building information modeling. This is a process involving the generation and management of BIM, that's building information model, as the model for different uses. This can be defined as the process. BIM as in building information management. It is the culture of collaboratively working through design, construction, and operation of a building and sharing all life cycle information of the facility components in an integrated source model. This can be referred to as BIM as a culture. Moving forward, 3 components of success in integrating building information modeling are technology, process, and behavior. BIM maturity levels. This can be described as a milestone for measuring the level of BIM adoption in a project, organization, or the construction industry within a specific region. Level 0. This refers to as the stage at which an organization is not using BIM at any phase of building lifecycle. Information management in project occur using traditional methods such as 2D CAD, drawing, and manual documentation. Level 1 refers to the stage where 2D CAD drawing and 3D models are created with the aid of BIM tools and are primarily used for a visual representation of the building data. Level 2 refers to the stage where all project teams create and use 3D models. The data in the models are linked through open formats such as IFC, Industry Foundation Class, and are merged into a single model. It uses BIM model for visualization, that is 3D, scheduling and construction planning, that's 4D, and construction management, 5D. Level 3 is the most advanced stage of BIM maturity, where all teams work simultaneously online in the same shared model space. BIM is fully integrated into all aspects of the project lifecycle, including operation and maintenance. Benefits of BIM. 1. Better planning. It helps management teams to detect clashes before they occur and build out plans with valuable insight in mind. 2. Improved collaboration. BIM gives all stakeholders from the office to the site a shared view of a project and break down information silo. Reliable access to 3D coordinated models and shop drawing ensure teams to have the insight and tools they need to design and implement projects effectively. 3. Better cost estimation. Cost estimation can be a time-consuming, error-prone, and stress-free part of construction process due to the sheer amount of information that needs to be measured, stored, analyzed, and shared. 4. More effective building. BIM gives team access to 3D coordinated model and shop drawings that can be easily compared to site condition. More trust and buy-in of model early on means clearer expectation and less rework later. Finally, improved safety. Rework can lead to accident and injury on job site. With BIM technology, teams are equipped with the tool they need to plan ahead and efficiently react to surprises in the field. In summary, BIM is a digital representation of physical and functional characteristics of a facility with an improved planning process, which is machine readable and contain all appropriate information created or gathered about the facility and which are usable by all throughout the life cycle of a project. 2. BIM is not a software but a tool. That is, no software is equivalent to BIM and no specific technique or method is equivalent to BIM. Until when next I'll be seeing you in another tutorial, you're welcome. is a digital representation of physical and functional characteristics of a facility with an improved planning process, which is machine readable and contain all appropriate information created or gathered about the facility and which are usable by all throughout the life cycle of a project. 2. BIM is not a software but a tool. That is, no software is equivalent to BIM and no specific technique or method is equivalent to BIM.